Did you know that there are certain essential oils, really common essential oils even, that could be harming your skin, particularly your face if you're using them, especially if you have mature skin or sensitive skin? So let's try and put a stop to that today. Essential oils are great. They have a lot of benefits, and I have been using them in my business for over 25 years. I'm Susan. I make natural soaps and skincare products using pure essential oils. And I want you to feel a little bit more comfortable if you're not comfortable with how to use them, and make sure that you are using them the right way so that you get the benefits of essential oils instead of doing harm to your skin. First, let's talk about the two categories of essential oils that could be sabotaging your skin without you even realizing it. The first one is citrus oils, which are super popular. People love the way they smell, and from an aromatherapy standpoint, they're very emotionally uplifting. They are kind of a feel-good essential oil, light, fruity, but a lot of them can have properties that make you more sensitive to sunlight and the UV rays, which can damage your skin, cause higher sensitivity to those rays. So it can actually increase problems with sunburn or skin cancer, certainly faster aging. So citrus oils are something that you want to avoid, particularly for your face and any kind of mature skin areas that you've got. And if you get, this is bergamot, which is it's a citrus oil. It's one that you may not be quite as familiar with, but it smells wonderful. And we actually put it in our Bay Rum solid shampoo bars, which are hair care and wash off soap product. But we use the BF version, where it's been, the photosensitive qualities have actually been extracted from that essential oil. So if you do want to use citrus oils, particularly on your skin, I would definitely recommend looking for that BF qualification on it to minimize any issues that you might have with it increasing your sensitivity, because those is something that you want to stay away from. Then the second essential oil category that I think you need to steer clear of, particularly again for your face or for any kind of body oils, large areas of your skin, would be the mints. And this is a sample of the peppermint essential oil. And I've poured these out into beakers here so that you can see a little bit how they look, because obviously there is a difference to the way they look, definitely the way they smell. And the mints are wonderful in terms from an aromatherapy standpoint. They help increase your focus, concentration. They're very uplifting, energizing essential oils, but they're too irritating to put on your face or large areas of your body. And then I'm going to bring up one specific, this is peppermint, which is basically safe to use. We actually even put it in a lip balm. We have a Good Morning Mint soap. We have a chocolate mint soap. The lip balm, of course, is just for small areas. We do make a peppermint lotion bar, but we use everything in small concentrations. We do not, for example, use a peppermint in any of our body oils, because that can go over a really large area of your body, could be very irritating. But wintergreen, which is a very common flavor, I mean wintergreen gum, but wintergreen essential oil is an essential oil that you should never use at all, because it is very toxic, period, full stop. So you need to be a little bit familiar with essential oils, not just blindly assume that just because it's natural that it's going to be good for you, because there's things in nature that are not good for you. Poison ivy, the wintergreen that I mentioned, even like eucalyptus essential oil is great to be used topically, but it can be poisonous if it's ingested. So tea tree essential oil can be very toxic for dogs if you use it on you. So do not ever use tea tree essential oil dogs. So there is certainly safety concerns that you should be aware of for essential oils, and to use them so that you get the benefit and that you're not actually hurting yourself when using it. If you would be interested in me doing a video talking more about the safety issues of essential oils, please make a note in the comments below, and I would love to get your feedback, and I will try to work on one of those in the near future. So let's move on now to the good essential oils, if you will. I've got here beakers of carrot seed, frankincense, and patchouli. And these are all great, especially for mature skin. We put them in our anti-aging face, and we also put them in our carrot seed complexion bar soap. So let me go through just a little bit on them. As far as the scent, the carrot seed, I guess it's just kind of a slight earthy scent, if you will. And then frankincense is sort of I don't know, to me it's just kind of exotic feeling, sort of a exotic scent. And patchouli is very earthy. It's even earthier than the carrot seed. So carrot seed is great as far as mature skin, helping with antioxidants. It's also good as far as helping with wrinkles. I have been using my face serum since I turned 50. I'm 68 now, and I feel like it has played a big part in helping keep my skin looking as good as it does. I don't wear any makeup. What you see is what you get when you look at me. So this again is our carrot seed essential oil, and it is packed with antioxidants like vitamin A and vitamin E. So it helps encourage and promote cell regeneration, reduce free radicals, reduce inflammation, and it's gentle enough to use in a face serum where you can use it. In my case, I use the face serum twice a day, morning and evening. So it helps promote and nourish your skin and give it a nice, healthy, gentle glow. This is frankincense. It's a clear essential oil, as you can see, and I just love the scent of it, actually. But it has been used for centuries. If you remember, it was part of what the Magi gave Christ child in the Bible. So it has been around a very long time. And it helps promote healing. It is also very relaxing as from an aromatherapy standpoint. So it helps reduce stress, which is kind of like almost like a mini spa treatment when you use it. And it is considered also to be really particularly useful for mature skin as far as helping fight inflammation. And then this last one, patchouli, has also been around a very long time, and as I mentioned, it's got a very earthy scent. Patchouli is particularly really good for dry skin. It is also a soothing, relaxing scent or essential oil from an aromatherapy standpoint. So anything that you can do to help reduce your stress overall is going to also benefit particularly mature skin with helping reduce those extra wrinkles from cropping in and everything. So all of these three, it's an easy way to use them together because, as I mentioned, we include all three of them right here in our anti-aging face serum. The last point that I wanted to bring up today is that it's not just about picking one single essential oil or the right one here or the right one that you like the scent of. It also matters how they work together, that you want to get the right combination of essential oils to really give you the benefits that you're looking for. And in this case, we were trying to create a face serum that would help with mature skin, that would give you anti-aging properties. That's why we call this our anti-aging face serum. And we dilute everything in a proportion that is safe for your skin. As I mentioned, I have been using it I'm 68. I started using it when I was 50, so almost 20 years. I use it every day, twice a day, and I I don't wear makeup, but I have customers who do wear makeup, and they may use it just in the evening when they're not putting makeup on. Some people are able to wear it underneath their makeup, no problem. But I have chosen these essential oils along with rosewood, which is also in our anti-aging face serum, as a composite blend that's going to give you a true benefit to your skin. And that's what you want to look for if you're going to use essential oils, because I said earlier, simply because it's natural doesn't mean it's going to work for you. But if you have enjoyed what I've talked about here and found it beneficial and useful, please like or put some comments down below. If you have a question, please comment. I would love to answer. If you have any specific requests for videos in the future, like covering more about a particular essential oil or the safety of essential oils, what essential oils to avoid completely, by all means leave those in the comments. I'd love if you subscribe to my channel. And again, thanks for being here. And I would like to share my little laughter tip, because I'm trying to get across, again, essential oils are important. What you put on your skin is important. The overall way that you take care of yourself is very important. Good diet, exercise, enough sleep, all of that type of thing. But I believe laughter is a huge part of it as well. And today, there's a restaurant in Austin that has done little sayings on their marquee for a long time. This one is, "Welcome to adulthood. I hope you like ibuprofen." And I think that kind of fits in with what we're talking about today. Mature skin, adulthood, and simply having to take the time to learn about what you're doing to take care of yourself. It doesn't just fall into your lap. But adulthood comes with so many issues and things to consider, and I just thought that was funny. So I hope it made you chuckle. I hope you got a laugh out of it. And I hope you learned a little bit more about essential oils today and got to see what they look like, got to hear a little bit more about how they can benefit you, but also importantly, how you need to avoid the ones that could harm you, because there certainly are ones out there that you never want to use. Wintergreen, as I mentioned, is one of them, but there's some others too. So take care. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.